Shalom, everyone. I'm going to continue this fantastic series, friends, of Daf Yomi. Friends, we're on page number 51 of Masechet Menachot. Just obviously, we're at the moment, middle of a conflict at the moment. I've got a bit of Purim decoration, so please pray for the safety of Israel. But a question today in the Gemara is, what if the Kohen, is going to pass away? That's what's questioned about in page 51 of Menachot. So one of the daily sacrifices brought by the Kohen Gadol was a meal offering. It was called a Menachot Chavitin. It consisted of loaves that were baked from a measure of flour, half of which were sacrificed on the altar in the morning, and the other half which were sacrificed in the afternoon, as we see in Parshat Tzav. Now, according to the Mishnah on today's page, if the Kohen Gadol passed away after the morning Minchat Chavitin had been brought, and no one had been appointed to replace him, Rabbi Shimon rules that the afternoon offering would be brought from the public coffers, and Rabbi Yehuda requires those who inherit the Kohen Gadol to pay for it. Although the source for these two opinions are based on Torah passages, the Gemara points out that we find a Braita that lists this law among several that Rabbi Shimon identified as being rabbinic ordinances. And by way of explanation, Rabbi Abahu suggests that there were two separate enactments. As the Gemara originally stated, Rabbi Shimon believes that the afternoon offering should be brought from the public coffers. When the public funding ran short, the rabbis ruled that those who inherit Kohen Gadol are obligated to bring the offering. Now, when it became clear that those people were unreliable, the law reverted to the original biblical requirements. And the Chazon Ish is actually going to point out over here that the original rabbinical ordinance was problematic, since a Minchat Chavitin could not be brought as a voluntary donation. But learn the page of the Gemara today, page 51 Menachot.